Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So today, as you can see, I'm on my profile. And I've been hacked. Basically. So I've been saying, here's my conversation. She said, hi. I said, hi. Can I have my account back? Give it back, please. Your offer on it? No, that was mine. Give it back. Your offer or you're getting blocked. Miss J. Okay. I'm not going first. You first or no deal. No. Bye, Dad. Don't block me. Then give me Miss J or Streak of Light for your account now. Give it back. Then give me what I asked for. Please, then give me Miss J or Streak of Light. Why? Guys, if you get my account back, I will give you Miss J. Anything you want. I'll buy you a month VIP, week VIP, whatever you want. Robux, whatever you want. Slime, squishies, I don't care. Just please get my account back. Cause I said, do hurry up or getting blocked. But, honey, it's my account. You hacked me. But, honey, it's my account. You hacked me. Honey. Let's go on straight ghost dress or no. I don't know how to trade or no, but... No? No. I never. You gave it to me. No, I never. Guys, I'm gonna be back once I got almost. And I gave a girl my password, which I didn't. Hey guys, I'll be back when I've got some more news. Okay guys, so I'm back. She said, no, not saying, but you're getting blocked now. If you don't give but I want it back. I'll give you VIP, whatever. I'm gonna beg her now, cause no, give me what I asked for, cause I'm getting bored now. Should I say I'm recording you on YouTube now? Give it back. Oh, sorry. My throat then. Let me text all my friends. Now let's see who's online. Well, you gift me items. What? When you give me the items, please. Oh my God. Like, she needs to give it back, cause it's not right if she don't. Guys, if you get this account back, I'll give you whatever you like. VIP, whatever you want. Just please get it back for me. Contact my user //RareQueen2515 / on the UK server. Hashtag Jojo loves you. Hashtag is also on the UK server. So once you've got this back, contact this user. And oh my God, like, I'm actually Let me get my notepad out. Note. Hashtag what do you want to spell? Note. That's a lot of notepads. Nice to know ya, let's do it again. Okay, so, this is the user on the UK server. I'm getting threatened. Whoa. Hello, I'll give you what you want if you get hashtag George. And you know that it's my account because I've made YouTube videos on it before. So you can't say that this wasn't my account.
Wait, what? She hacked on?
She's hacked me on MSP.
You recorded?
So, on your account, lol. Give it back. She probably said, I'm on your account, lol.
Tell her to F off.
You can't.
What?
You just can't. Sorry, I'm a Minecraft fan.
Just put F.
When you give me.
Put
No,
F and space.
I want my account back. Like, see this.
When you gift me.
Like, she wants me to give me Miss Goldie.
Bye forever.
No. Give it back.
And I'll give you anything that you want.
Like, people scam her. Because she deserves it.
I generally think she's gone anyway. Hey, what's her name? I can text her. On my phone. Can't I?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Hashtag Jojo loves you if my laptop won't be fucking glitchy. But guys, I'll update you. Try and get my account back. You can have whatever you like. Apart from my account, I'll get you a level 10 account. Whatever you fucking...
What's her name?
Bye guys!